Hi, here we have Libby and Stormy's litter of puppies. They're 5 weeks old. We have some little colored collars on them to help you know which one is which. We're gonna go in birth order, so we'll start with this little puppy here in the blue collar. He's the only boy in the litter. Can you turn around so we can see him? There we go. This is Kiko, and he's going to Anthony. Then we have this little first girl in the purple collar. She's waiting for her special person to pick her out. She's pretty cute. She's got nice markings. Then we have the second girl in a white collar. She's going to Maria.
What? White one? Well.
And then we have the little third girl in this orange collar. She's going to Alexander. Can you tip her down a little bit, Natalie, so you can see her?
There you go.
There you are. And then we have the fourth girl in the yellow collar, and she's going to Davy. So they're eating really well now. This past week I've just started taking them outside to go potty so they can learn how to do that before they go to their new homes. They won't be totally trained, but they'll have a good idea what they're supposed to do. So you guys want to turn them loose and see if they'll play a little bit? At 5 weeks old, they're not really active, but they're getting there. Hey guys! Hi cuties! They're all just gonna stand there and look at us. At 5 weeks old, they still like to just be cuddled and held. They might just turn around and crawl back into the kids' laps. They're starting to play with each other, and we have a toy here for them to play with. So I'll go through them again. We have this little girl in the white is Maria's puppy. This little girl in the orange collar is going to Alexander. Then back there, which one is that, Casey? Purple?
This is the boy.
Oh, that's Kiko. Anthony's puppy in the blue collar. And then we have Davy's puppy in the yellow collar. See that puppy. And we have this little girl in the purple collar who's still waiting for somebody to pick her out. They get lots of attention, and you can notice that a few of them are getting their ears up. It takes a few weeks. Some of them can take up to like 10 weeks to get their ears up. These guys they'll probably be up, most likely be up by 8 weeks. What's she finding? None of them are shy. They're all really social. They all like to play with each other, and they really like to be held. And right now I think they're kind of sleepy. They really like the kids. The kids do a lot with them, so. What's she doing? Yeah, in a couple more weeks we'll take another video and you'll see a big difference in how active they are. Now they're just kind of exploring and trying to figure stuff out.
Hey, little puppy.
They're starting to play with this little toy here. Here, little girl. Oh, this is Libby and Stormy's little litter puppies. So hope you enjoy the video of them and see what they're like.
Bye.